Hi, this is Rob Leo, and in this 2-minute drill, we're going to take a look at the trash filter on your Google Drive. Let me share my screen with you. I'm in here in my drive, and you'll notice that there is a trash option on the menu on the left. This is simply a filter. This is places where you have removed files from your drive and placed them in the trash. For example, if I was to right-click on the 2-minute drills folder, I could click remove. The same icon appears at the top of the screen, and when I remove it, it goes to the trash. It no longer appears in my drive. When I go to trash, there's that folder. If I right click on it again, I can either restore it or delete it forever. If I restore it, it will return to my drive back to the location where it was previously posted. You have infinitesimal storage on your Google Drive. Right now, I'm only using 58.5 megs. On some accounts, I have as many as 77 gigs. So you may want to put files in trash if you no longer want to look at them. But my advice would be to leave them there. Don't delete them because once you do, they are gone for good. Think of trash as a filter. If you just don't want to look at it anymore, you can put it in the trash. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.